I love photography. I'm in love with photography. I love my cameras. I love my mobile phone cameras. I love my photo editing softwares. And I'm also an entrepreneur and I want to make money from everything I do. So I came to YouTube and searched money online using photography. I found so many videos talking about how to make money with photography, and they actually make a lot of money from photography, and it's true. Let's have a look online. How do people actually make money online with photography without shooting videos? Haha. So I came to Udemy for courses. I wanted to learn, and I also wanted to see how many people are selling photography courses and how many students are buying. And I came across this course, Mobile Photography, iPhone and Android Complete Masterclass, 3,920 students, 653 ratings. Well, honestly, not all these students have paid for this course. The price of the course is $19, and let us consider only 50% of these people. So 3920 divided by 2 multiplied by 19.99. This is the price of the course. That means $39,180 has been earned from this course. Wow. Now, I'll tell you what. This money is completely passive income. They have created the course only once and they have made this much money. And not only that, in this video, I will share how you can make money using your mobile phones. This will be an awesome journey. I will share many different places where you can make money from only by learning this one interesting skill. So let's do this. I'm going to purchase this for you and I will show you what's in it so you don't have to. Let's click buy now and I'll choose PayPal and I'm going to click proceed and purchase. Purchased. Super awesome. Let's go to the course. There are total 14 sections, total 5.5 hours. Now I'm going to pause this recording, go through the complete course, and I will tell you how you can create a better course than this one without spending a single penny. Alright, I have gone to the course and now I know the content and I can tell you how you can create a course without any skill. You can learn on the way for free and you can teach using your course and make money selling the course on Udemy, Skillshare, and even make more money as you refer other people on sites like Skillshare or sell other people's courses on Udemy and make passive affiliate commissions. So we are basically talking about building one asset that will make money for you for years to come. So let's begin. First, the beginning of the course is introduction. Introduction here has 2 videos or 2 modules, each 2 minutes long. 2 minutes means 300 words spoken, and it can be on camera if you are comfortable, and it can be without using a camera if you are not comfortable in front of the camera, because your audience or your customers want information and entertainment. It doesn't matter how you give them. So they are experts and they got in front of the camera that you don't have. So now let's talk about the introduction and what you can expect from this course. That's the 2 modules they covered. Introduction is normally the highest benefit that customers or the students will get from the course. Now, what kind of benefit you are showing to your customers or your students, that depends on you. This is how you want to sell your course, and that is how you write your course copy in the first place. Because the first thing your visitors or your prospective customers will see is the copy that you have written on Udemy. In this course, they taught very basic elements of photography that literally anyone can learn and teach. And that is why I'm so excited that you can do it too. Now let's go to the information. Now let's say you have absolutely zero idea about mobile or phone photography. So how can you talk about the benefits of phone photography? You will go to 2 best friends One is Google and another one is YouTube. As I told you, not only you will make money, but also you will learn along the way and you will become an expert mobile photographer. So, of mobile photograph. And just look at this article. It has 11 reasons a smartphone is better, phone versus camera. Now, although it is not 100% true, but they have points. They have their reasons. Like example, your phone is always with you. Definitely phone cameras are better for selfies and a lot of social media photos that will drive you followers, traffic, customers, whatever you want, are selfies. Then you can watch the videos of these experts where they explain why mobile photography is better. While watching these videos, you will actually get starting information of all these course elements or modules. You should take notes about which video gave you what information at which time. So let's say this video is giving you 6 mobile photograph tips that you must know. And honestly, this one tip changed my own life. I always use this tip and it's called rule of thirds. Now I learned this tip at the 5-minute 49 seconds of this video. Take a note in a spread, copy video URL at current time. That would be the best. And once you paste it in a spreadsheet, whenever you click that link, the video will start from that time. That is so awesome. So when you create your course, this technique will help you a lot. Now they talked about how to take photos. Go to YouTube and search for how to shoot photos with mobile. Okay, I cannot really tell you how many thousands, if not hundreds of thousands, awesome videos, tricks and tips you will learn. Put them together in a form of a video and you will have a dinosaur size of code. Now they mentioned Adobe Lightroom as a photo editor. Adobe Lightroom is not free, but there are free mobile photo editors. So free mobile photo editor. Do you see that? This video, top 5 free photo editing apps, was published 10 months ago and got 135 views. Top 5 free professional DSLR camera apps for Android. 7 best free photo editors on Android in 2021. Well, you know what I mean. When you watch these videos, not only you will have fun, but this fun information will turn into your course. They talked about lighting. Oh yes, lighting is everything. I simply searched with lighting for mobile photography and oh my god, look at the awesome videos that you can learn and start using right now because the mobile is in your hand. And honestly, the cheapest phone you have, cheaper the phone you have, better your course will be, because then your course will cover bigger audience, even those audience who don't have expensive mobile phone. They covered shooting through objects, photo angles, thinking outside the box, composition grids, negative spaces. Honestly, all these are maximum 3 to 6 minutes long module. And when you learn from these videos, you will have so much to say that when you start recording, you will not be able to stop before 10 minutes. So this is one of the niches that can give you a lot of fun and help you make a lot of money. But wait, I will tell you how to start making money. It's not going to be easy if you don't watch this video completely. Now in section 3, they went to Instagram basics, Instagram filters, Instagram stories, algorithm revealed. Well, that's probably something that you should talk about in your course in case you're creating a photographic. You should always keep yourself updated about Instagram or any other social media algorithm, because with time they update their algorithm to give their audience the best user experience. I simply look on Google and I found an awesome article that talked a lot about the updated Instagram algorithm, and they make a lot of sense. In fact, now the algorithm is better than before, more for the users, better for ethical entrepreneurs, and so on. But your updated related knowledge can be a great add-on into your course. And once you keep your course updated, your customers will never ask for a refund. That's a great tip. Remember that. This is how I have been keeping refund rates of my product lower than all other product creators in the market. Now they have Lightroom tutorial. Come on, Lightroom tutorial? Well, literally every photographer is a Photoshop and Lightroom expert. So you can imagine the number of videos you will find on YouTube, and each one of them is better than the others. Haha. I personally like Peter McKinnon. He is a great photographer and a videographer and a storyteller, a vlogger and whatnot. So I would go for his tips first. But in case you are on budget, then you should look for something else. You should take notes of what features they are talking about and search for which apps provide those features and share in your course. And if you provide that type of information in your course, your customers will love you. And I'm telling you, not only you are learning to sell a course, but also you will have a lot of fun learning. And once you build this skill, you can make more money selling your photos, because you will be able to shoot and edit awesome photos, and you can sell those photos in 200 plus stock image or photo websites. Imagine that. If one website makes you $10 a day, 200 websites in average will make you $2,000 a day. Maybe more. And it's completely passive income. You shoot one time, upload them one time, and keep making money over and over again. So one photography and photo editing skill will make you money selling course. And I didn't mention yet, those videos or modules can be uploaded separately on YouTube and places like that, and even social media like Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. And the photos you shoot can be sold on stock media sites. Wow. And when you make money, you can actually create another course about how to make money selling stock photos or how to make money from photography. Upload them on Udemy and that course will make you more money. Make another course on how to make more money. That would be awesome, right? This is called snowball effect. Now, photography of people and animals. Taking photos of people, taking photos of children, pets, wild animals, taking great selfies. Maximum size or length of these modules is 6 minutes, which is very easy. I cannot explain you how many videos and how many tutorials you will find about photography of people, photography of children, and photography of pets if you want. Selfie tutorial. Haha. You're going to be an expert very soon. Now they came to Instagram basics, because you know, Instagram is full of selfies, photos. Photographers and videographers are all on Instagram. So if you want to build any kind of business around photography, Instagram is your place. And taking photos with Instagram, picture sizes, Instagram filters, this is a 1-minute video and the funniest video, in my opinion, in the whole course. They mention that don't use them. That's what this 10 minutes about. Instagram stories, Instagram algorithm. I will drop the link in the description. Here's an interesting section about Snapseed. Snapseed is an app and they have many different tools to edit your photos. And they basically described all the tools within maximum 6-minute long modules. And in fact, they are absolutely basic information. When you use this application, you will learn everything yourself without even going through this course, and you can create your own course. Landscape photography has only 4-minute module, one module only. But actually, landscape photography is a world of photography. So it's a different world and so much to learn from. I would personally recommend you learn a lot about landscape photography, because that will bring you so much fun, and you can sell those photos in stock media sites, because everybody needs stock photographs somewhere at some point. Night photography is a beautiful topic, because a half of our lives are spent at night. So much happens at night. But at the same time, night photography is tricky. If done right, night photography can be awesome. If done wrong, it can jeopardize the whole session. Just to give you a quick note, this is a 3-minute module and the next one is just a 4-minute module. But there are so much to learn that you can learn from YouTube, and you can teach others only by learning from YouTube. These are practical exercises. They have provided 8 practical exercises and they are pretty long and actually good. And finally, in my opinion, the most important one, making money with mobile photography, is the last one, and they have only one 10-minute video. Now, in my opinion, don't add this at the beginning of your photography course. Make money first from your photographs and photography course, then come back and add this section later. Remember, once you learn this skill, you can always come back on freelancing sites like Fiverr, and there are so many other websites that offer photo retouching services. You can connect with them and offer your service. So yes, one skill, just one skill. I hope this video was helpful. You don't really need to buy this course, but if you think it's good, go ahead, buy it. It will give you some shortcut, yes. But you can learn all this from YouTube. You can actually learn more, have more fun. Oh, by the way, I personally use a software called Design Beast for photo editing, photo retouching, even video creation, mock-up creation, background removal. I'll drop the link in the description. But yes, overall, photography is a super awesome skill. It will bring you a lot of fun and you'll be able to make a lot of money selling your photos on stock photo sites, selling your courses on Udemy, on sites like Skillshare. You can offer photo editing service on Fiverr, Upwork, and make $32 per hour, $35 per hour. This person made over $60,000 from photo editing, retouching, and manipulation service. You can offer your photo retouching service in 26 or more different sites. And of course, you can use software like Design Beast as a shortcut. Link in the description, by the way. Yes, go ahead, take your shortcut to wealth today. And I will see you in the next video.